For years, scientists have been warning us that by the end of this century, climate change will bring more storms, more forest fires and drought, as well as rising sea levels. But a new report from the Union of Concerned Scientists is getting specific, revealing the exact neighborhoods, block by block, that the union says will be repeatedly flooded within the next 6 decades. Alameda in Northern California is one of them.
The San Francisco Bay Area is hopeful that this former naval base could relieve its overcrowded housing market. But if the projections are correct, that is not going to work out. So this would be underwater.
This would be one of the first neighborhoods in Alameda that would see chronic flooding due to sea level rise.
What's chronic flooding?
By that we mean flooding on average every other week.
Every other week?
That's right, 26 times a year.
Wow.
Dr. Christy Dahl, co-author of the report, says that having seen the data, she feels we must rethink where we live.
When we first set out to research sea level rise, we had the impression that a lot of people do, that it's something that won't be affecting us until the end of the century, perhaps. But when we started to look at not just what's going to be permanently underwater, but what's going to be flooded often enough that functionally it's unusable, that's when we saw that this problem is really going to start affecting communities decades earlier than we had anticipated.
A waterfront house has always been a symbol of success. But as the water rises, it may yet come to symbolize the very real dangers of climate change. Jacob Ward, Al Jazeera, Alameda, California.